right now at 11.
Going to the right, Antonio. You're running the wrong way.
Antonio Brown on the wrong path, possibly in more ways than one. Tonight, he's out of jail, but nowhere near out of trouble.
Get in the car, bro.
Beach weather tomorrow, sweater weather tomorrow night. The sewage spills in Fort Lauderdale created a bigger mess than we all first thought. And a health alert as the number of coronavirus cases around the world climbs quickly.
This is CBS 4 News Tonight.
First at 11, the whirlwind day in court and jail for NFL player Antonio Brown. He is back home tonight after turning himself in. Last night at this time, Antonio Brown was just being booked on several serious charges.
And tonight, the South Florida native's chances of making an NFL team again are even more cloudy. First, he must face this new criminal case. CBS 4's Ty Russell is live near Brown's home in Hollywood with our top story tonight at 11. Ty.
Well, Francis and Elliot, tonight Antonio Brown is inside of his mansion. He is on house arrest, and his attorney is telling us that his client didn't break the law. Walking out of the Broward County Jail Friday.
Advise Antonio not to say anything, but we'll be speaking soon, and we thank you guys.
Former NFL player Antonio Brown didn't say anything to us. He then took off.
That way. You're going to the right, Antonio. You're running the wrong way.
His attorney then led him in the right direction, but the athlete was a bit frustrated with them.
Get in the car, bro. I don't need you acting like my chaperone. Get in the car.
Brown faces burglary and battery charges. He appeared in bond court while wearing protective gear for high-profile inmates hours before his release.
It is clear from the evidence that Mr. Brown's intent upon entering that cabin was to physically attack the victim.
Brown and his trainer, Glenn Holt, are accused of leaving a moving truck driver with scratches during a dispute Tuesday outside Brown's home in Hollywood. A warrant for Brown's arrest was then issued.
I've been advised that Hollywood police have been called to his home approximately 18 times since December.
Prosecutors say police kept getting calls from attorneys promising the athlete will turn himself in, which is why the SWAT team didn't go after him. But he didn't show up until Thursday night, and only CBS 4 News was there. The state also questioned the athlete's mental health.
It's not about mental health or any other issues. He has a target on his back right now, Antonio Brown, for everything that's going on in his life. And Lauren and I are going to do everything we can to get this on the right track.
Brown's attorney believes these charges won't make it in front of a jury.
What happened here was justified, was lawful. Not only right now is he overcharged, but we're confident with any charges that he's going to be acquitted and found not guilty of anything.
Brown was released on a $110,000 bond. He has a GPS monitor and is on house arrest. This adds to Brown's current legal battles that include being accused of trashing a South Florida condo and also being accused of assaulting a female trainer. And after Holt's arrest, the Archdiocese of Miami placed him on leave from being a coach at St. Thomas Aquinas High School. And tonight, Brown may be subject to random alcohol and drug testing, and a judge told him today that he must undergo a mental health evaluation. We are live outside the Hollywood Oaks community. I'm Ty Russell, CBS 4 News Tonight.
Ty, thank you so much.